Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make croissant layers, easy method. Start by chilling both butter and dough so layers stay separate through rolling. Follow measured turns and consistent thickness to trap steam and create flaky sheets. Resting between turns keeps dough manageable and prevents toughness. With simple, regular folds, you can get reliable lift and buttery texture, even if you are new to laminated pastry techniques. Chill dough and butter until firm but pliable to start lamination safely. Enclose the butter completely so no leaks occur during rolling and cooling. Use a light dusting of flour and gentle, even pressure to roll without tearing. Complete 3 to 4 folds with resting periods to create multiple layers without overworking. Keep everything cool and consistent, and your croissants will develop that classic flaky structure and buttery flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to keep helpful baking content coming. It really helps. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold between folds and fits easily on your counter. I like its leak-proof lid and wide mouth for easy refills while rolling dough. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Proof at a moderate temperature until the dough shows a clear, gentle rise for perfect oven spring. Brush with egg wash right before baking to get a shiny, deep golden crust that highlights the layers. Use a preheated baking tray and middle rack to balance heat for a crisp exterior and fully baked interior. Cool briefly before serving so layers set, and you can enjoy steady, flaky slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.